So we're on our way to Lundar.
Yeah, it's Lundar.
We just picked up we're buying a 31 Model A Coupe roadster, or not a roadster, a Coupe with a rumble seat. It's been all original, been pulled apart though and sitting in pieces in a garage. So we just bought that last week and we're just picking it up today. So we'll show you when we get there, and we'll load everything up.
Move that frame forward. Okay, we're gonna still go over the frame. Yeah. Yep. Fine. Okay. Okay.
You're at it.
There.
One sec.
Yeah.
Come back this way a bit.
Come back. Okay.
Okay, you're at it now.
We gotta go to the north a little bit. Are you guys on the front?
Yeah, we gotta go to the.
You guys gotta go that way.
And we gotta go front. Yeah, west or east. Right.
These back or back here.
Yeah.
Okay. Me and Kevin just have to go a couple inches. You guys.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Because the bolt even lined it in. So you want now? Just gotta bring the van. There we go. Take it to it.
Yeah, I know.
Doors.
Almost all loaded.
Hi, it's Kevin here. We're just leaving the town of Lundar. We just finished loading up the Model A here. It looks to be in pretty good shape. So we have a lot of body panels in here, as you can see. And among some parts in the Chevy truck here, came with 2 engines, nice drill shells, many boxes of parts around here. So pretty much a big puzzle. And then
It is a rumble seat car.
yep. Still a lot more assorted parts up here. Came with a couple diffs and A lot of parts and a lot of headaches, I think, but you know, who knows. So we're gonna leave the town of Lundar, and now we're gonna head up to my place in Warren. So
Where?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Ready? I'm ready.
Yeah, we'll just put it in the truck. Yeah, it's exactly what Rich did. Well, we're back in Warren here in my garage. We've unloaded the Model A, as you can see, and all the parts and whatnot. It appears to be pretty solid. It's got some rust issues on the floor there, but that's nothing to worry about. But so overall, it's a solid car. I guess now we're got the frame in here. We're gonna see about mocking it up now and just see what else is what and whatnot. So we'll go from there. And we'll back in a bit.
Holding air.
So far.
Hey, Kev, where do you keep your sockets?
So far, front axle is
Drawer's already open.
bolted up. The frame has been miraculously painted and sandblasted and painted. Testing lug nuts. Rear end's bolted.
Mock up.
Sitting. So we've got the basic chassis done, tires and everything. Tires look pretty good. Some even have the little knobs still on them.
Here's the biggest knob. You're gonna be a YouTube star here, Curtis.
So we got the body on, front fenders on, and a person in it.
And like I said, this is just mock-up. We're just putting this together, see what we have and whatnot. Clearly it sits 20 feet too high, but whatever. But just putting it together, see what we got, what we need, make an inventory of list for parts.
Your car's not British, you don't sit on that side.
Hey, your 12 hairs up there don't make a difference.
Oh no.
I might just keep this in.
Huh?
Never mind.
Oh, that hair part.
Okay, well, we have everything mocked up. The fenders and that look actually pretty solid, pretty nice. Again, it's just bolts, a couple bolts here and there, and nothing's permanent, but just want to see what we're working with. Again, it's a rumble seat car. Now, what do you guys think? If you want to leave some comments in the description here to see if we should run it fenders or fenderless.
Channel or not?
Channel or whatnot, yeah. Love to hear about some ideas from you guys, you know. I kind of think it should be fenderless, but still has the old time Model A ride in here as well, and the sealed beams. So, yeah. It's a 4x4. Well, I guess that calls it a night for Project Model A, mocking it up. So you guys leave a comment here, see what you guys think, if it should be fenderless or fenders, and what kind of engine possibly. So yeah, leave a comment in there. That's too much power for this little thing.
All in all, it's a pretty good day. It's not every day you get to find a Model A, especially a coupe, and that's complete in pretty good condition, so it's a pretty much of a win.
And I'd like to give some shout outs again because they helped us out in the past. So first will be Brent at Half-Ass Customs, and also Glenn Rid NZ Mopar. He's across the pond. Also the Sobering Restoration people. And I think that's it, sure.
No, big Dan.
Oh yeah, and Dan at DD Speed Shop.
We were there last week. We met up with him. Super nice guy.
Yeah,
Enjoyed
very
the
nice.
visit with him. Very nice. I liked it. Really nice guy.
So you guys please, hopefully you enjoy this little episode here, and leave a comment, like, and subscribe, please. I'll see you next time.
Derek's building a hot rod.
Nah.
Yeah, keep doing it.